आजम खान गारू.
Land Acquisition Bill 26 of 2016. Sir, we extend our party support to the bill, the amendment to right to the fair compensation, transparency in land acquisition, rehabilitation and resettlement act 2016 in its application to the state of Telangana. Sir, as per the central act, the state government are allowed to amend central act in the accordance with the section 107 and 108 if they offer better compensation and better rehabilitation and resettlement than what is provided under the first and the second schedule of the central act. Sir, this bill provides for acquisition of the land by the state government by entering into agreement for voluntary acquisition of the land with the willing of the owner. Sir, the bill also provides for payment of the lump sum amount by the government towards rehabilitation, resettlement whenever land is acquired for any projects. Speaker sir, we would like Minister Revenue to clarify on the certain aspects of the bill. The term rehabilitation and resettlement implies measures for the rehabilitation and resettlement of the land owners who are displaced due to the acquisition of the land for the project. Speaker sir, what will be the state government responsibility after the payment of the lump sum amount? Do the displaced landowners have to make their own arrangements for their rehabilitation and resettlement with the lump sum amount paid to them besides the compensation for the land acquisition? Speaker sir, will the minister give us details of the requirements of the land acquisition for the different projects, namely defense sector projects, infrastructures, including irrigations and power affordable housing to the 2-bedroom housings, industrial corridors, railway lines, roads and state and national highway, etc. Sir, we would like to know the extent of the land acquisition in the last 2.5 years for the various irrigation projects, power projects, industrial ventures and public purposes. Thank you, sir.